Do you want to speak English fluently but you don't have a partner? Let me show you 3 tricks you can do all by yourself. Number 1. Self-talk. Just talk to yourself in English. For example, I'm making coffee, or I'm cleaning my room. It feels weird at first, but soon your brain will start thinking in English naturally. Number 2. Shadowing. Pick a video or audio, then copy exactly what the speaker says. Try this with me. Practice makes perfect. Nice. This method improves your pronunciation and intonation fast. Number 3. Recording yourself. Speak, listen back, and find what needs improvement. Compare your old and new recordings and you'll be surprised how much progress you make. So, having no partner is not an excuse. Just practice 15 minutes every day. If you try one of these techniques today, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.